Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tally for tax tracking and expense categorization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the official Tally website. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the Tally ERP9 option for download. Click on the download link to initiate the process. Once the file has downloaded, locate it in your downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. A setup wizard will appear on your screen. Click Next to proceed with the installation process. Carefully read the license agreement and click I agree to accept. Choose the installation location or use the default path provided. Click Next to continue to the next step. Select the type of installation you prefer, either typical or custom. For beginners, the typical option is recommended. Click Next to continue with your selection. The installation will begin, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the status. Once installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Now, launch Tally by double-clicking its icon on your desktop. Upon opening Tally for the first time, you'll be greeted by a welcome screen. Select Create Company to set up your business profile. Fill in the required fields, including company name and address. Set the financial year starting date according to your needs. Choose your currency and click Create to finalize your company setup. Next, navigate to the gateway of Tally to access various features. To manage expenses, go to the Accounts Info section. Under Accounts Info, select Ledgers. Click on Create to add a new ledger for tracking expenses. Assign a name to your ledger, like office supplies or travel expenses. Select the appropriate group for your ledger, such as indirect expenses. Save the ledger by clicking Yes. Repeat this process for other expenses you want to categorize. Now, to record a transaction, return to the gateway of Tally. Select Vouchers to enter your expenses. Choose the type of voucher, such as payment for expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.